Hello everyone, it is Erin Flito here, and I am here with my November Traveler's Notebook setup. My Traveler's Notebook is for my business setup. So for me, I have a lot going on because of Black Friday, so I needed to set some of this stuff up ahead of time. I should have remembered in October to set up a page for Black Friday because I work on Black Friday items starting in October, but I didn't. So I needed a place to start working on everything and I've been working on my iPad, but I needed to kind of get my thoughts all together. So I am doing my Traveler's Notebook setup a little bit early. So this sticker kit is one that I did a collaboration with for Archer and Olive, specifically for that sticker making course. So I will leave a link down in the description below if you are interested in how to make stickers, because you get 5 pages of a sticker kit, aka this sticker kit, to print and cut yourselves. So I'm really excited about this sticker kit. I really do love it. It's something that's I thought that it was like a really good mix between me and Archer and Olive when I was creating this kit. So I hope you all like it. Again, I will leave a link down in the description below if you are interested in taking that course and getting access to these free printables exclusive to that course. So I am working on my finance tracker, so I do the same thing every month because it is very, very helpful for me to do my taxes, which I'm just now remembering is only in a couple months when I start doing my taxes, and I don't like that. I don't like the idea of that. It is pretty taxing on a small business, so hopefully all the stuff that I've done this entire year on these finance pages will make things a little bit easier than they usually are. And on the next page, I am doing my monthly goals and my social media review. My goals, I have these progress bars, so each segment represents 25%. And then my social media review, I just go through my social media, what the numbers were at the start of the month, what they were at the end of the month, and then the difference there. And then last but not least, I have YouTube reviews and my Patreon page. So these YouTube videos, it's just a way for me to kind of sort out my thoughts. I also do this on Notion, but this is like a nice place to make sure I can go back and look at everything and when I posted it and things like that. And I do all of this basically at the beginning of the month where I plan out all of my YouTube videos. And then I have an idea request because I do get those quite often from folks asking for specific types of videos. So I have a section down there for that. And if you can't see, I am switching my YouTube videos to Wednesday and Friday. I think it'll just be a better timeline because my podcast will come out on Monday, and then a video on Wednesday, and then a video on Friday. So hopefully that turns out well. I hope you guys like this setup, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.